Today, I will show you how to realign an out-of-sync subtitle file in VLC. So, I already have an episode of a Korean TV show open, and I need to add the subtitles manually by coming up to Subtitles in the menu bar and from the drop-down menu selecting Add Subtitle File. This window will appear, and VLC will usually guess where the subtitle folder is, and as you can see, mine is on the desktop. Just in case you have trouble locating your subtitle files, they usually use the .srt extension. So, once I've selected my file, I can just hit open. Your subtitles will automatically sync to your video's position, so don't worry about restarting whatever you're watching.
동훈이한테 전화 좀 해봐.
안 받아요.
한 번 더 해봐.
As I play this episode, you can notice the subtitles are coming in slightly later than the dialogue, so we need to realign these subtitles manually by bringing them back a touch. So if I come up to Window in the menu bar and from the drop-down menu select Track Synchronization, this window will appear and the setting we need to adjust is the subtitle track synchronization. Like I said before, our subtitle track is ahead of the dialogue, so I need to pull it back by subtracting at a guess around -1 second, which I can do by clicking this down arrow. Obviously, if your subtitles were behind the dialogue, do the reverse to what I'm doing here and add the amount of seconds you think you need by hitting the up arrow. Don't worry if you get lost in this process, you can always hit reset. So now, I'm going to press play to see if what I did was enough to correct the sync.
전화 안 받는다고 자꾸 전화하고 그러지 마요, 위험하게.
No, it wasn't. I think I'm going to need the same amount again, so I'm going to click the down arrow to -2 this time. And play again to see.
어디 높은 데 매달려 있으면 어쩌려고.
책상에 가만히 앉아서 일하던 놈이 왜 나이 들어 그런 일을...
아, 왜 이렇게 전화를 안 받아? 문자도 씹고.
And yes, I'm happy with that.
엄마 굶고
Everything I
끓였어.
just did can be done without stopping or pausing the video.
줘봐.
And this change isn't permanent. The next time you play a video, the setting will have returned to its default setting. So we can close this window and continue watching the episode.
저녁은?
먹었어요.
So that was how to realign subtitles in VLC. Check out my other videos for more VLC tips and tricks.